We're reporting live.
Hey,
What's up,
what's
dog?
up?
Follow her IG, follow her TikTok, everything. Cutie Cupcake 2.7. I'm just kidding.
So were you working on the Bentley?
These guys are gonna put a Bluetooth in the Bentley. $100,000 car, but it didn't come with Bluetooth. Alright, so for those people you just saw, we're gonna be doing, this is the 1 mile range from Viper. Dang. That's the remote right there. You gonna do it, Omar?
Anthony, the Bentley, I told them like I need it till like 2 or 3, but it might be longer than that.
I'll call him right now. So the Nissan project is getting bushwhackers, the bumper. Here's the bumper, right here. This is the bumper. I'll go get the bushwhackers and the headlights. Let's go get some of that stuff for them. Look at these cars, man. Cars galore, Can-Am parts galore. So we did a system on this one last week. So the customer is missing this piece, which I got it right now. We're gonna install this piece. We're also gonna be doing some new headlights. So we're gonna change out this front bumper, and we're gonna be putting chrome right there. We'll install chrome bumper. We're gonna change the new headlights. So when we're done, it's gonna look all new. Okay. All right. So we got the bumper. We got the plastic piece for the top. We got the side bushwhackers. There's a fender flares, cup holder piece, and headlights. That's the plan. Can they handle it? I think so. Look at this thing. It's a pocket fender flares. I like that. How they look? They look cool? Let's go check out the bumper. Oi, Cocho. What's up, Papa?
What's up, Papa?
What are we doing here? Dang, the front is all off. ¿Sí se ocuparon los brackets, güey?
Compré muchas cosas, güey.
I can call and order it.
Okay.
So these are all parts that are missing. Dude, look at those lights, look good. All right, guys, check this thing out, man. We already got the new stuff on it. Look at this. We fixed this part. We got the side things on. That looks cool. We did that. Now it looks so much more beefy, bro. Look at this. And then we also did the front bumper. So now we got a chrome bumper. Bam! And we put the new headlights. Bam! It looks cool. I'm excited. Okay, we gotta order some more parts for it. But you can see it's coming along good, no? What do you guys think? Next we're gonna do the next I ordered the back piece. We need to do that. We need to do the side step. Thanks, buddy. Alright. So we just tinted this car. Look at that.
Why messing with my car, Anthony?
Hey man, first come, first serve. I was trying to take it for a spin right now. Look at that thing, man. Be more sexier than that. Jeez. We're working on a big ass boat. This is nice. Look at this big old tanker right here. Putting a system in this bad boy. How do I get up here? I'm too short. Short people problems. Sup, Omar? What are you doing? We're doing a little sound upgrade on this bad boy. Okay, if I die, guys, please send money to my family. Woo! I made it!
Okay, thank you.
Can you explain to us? Running wires? How many amps are we on? 2. Okay, look it. Can you tell me where the location of the amp's going? And the what?
Inside that panel.
Inside this panel?
Yeah.
So inside this little hole right here, right?
Inside that hole.
Oh, look at all the cables in there! Oh, I'm gonna have to turn this thing off. Oh. Damn, who's gonna fit in there? Cocho?
Yep.
A ver si cabe, güey. You can't even fit. Sure, I know I'm not gonna go in there. So cabe, güey? ¿Qué haces, güey? Javier, my gel audio rep said that we don't need to use the copper, the marine grade for this one. It's not for the.
I know.
He said it's not for the ocean.
I know. The customer wants it. As long as it's covered, it's fine. What do you
Man, this is so cool. I want one. I want to go on one. Okay, Omar. No te matas, güey. Ay, güey. Look at this guy. ¿Quién le quiere matar, güey? Moby Dick? Who you trying to kill, Moby Dick? The harpoon and shit right there. Look at that. That was funny. I had to get that joke in there, you know? It's pretty funny.
And your voice is my favorite sound, yeah. I can hear you breathing when I put it down, yeah. Crazy how last weekend turned into a fling, though. All I want is your audition, can you sing for me? I want melody to take me home. Please don't wait too long, yeah. Wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Melody, please take me home. Please don't wait too long, yeah. Wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan, yeah. Bad little broad from the valley, that's my turf. She asked how I balance everything, I said I know my worth. She like, can I get a verse? I said, guess that all depends, yeah. Do you got some friends from my friends, yeah. Girl, I'm playing, hot damn, how you look in the mirror like that? Maybe wanna get in my bed. I ain't gonna rap when I hear, wanna trap my back. I'm ready to get it if you're ready to get it down. Swear to God, I'll get a hit like Larry Holmes. I'm in the booth, I'm in the zone, and I can't wait to make that song for days long. Your voice is my favorite sound, yeah. I can hear you breathing.
Woo! Did you see all the wiring Omar did? Omar, ¿por qué es chingón, güey? So Omar did all the cables, he did all the rewire. Now we have to see what's going out. Okay, I don't know what he did back here, but it looks like he got the wires ran. There's the amplifiers over there, right there, and there. So the two amplifiers. You put them on a board. Looks like they made that board. And they got the wires in there, man. It looks really good. It looks nice. And I think he's done. Look, what you doing down there, buddy? Putting the things back?
Yes.
So he's putting those back. Putting that back. And I'm gonna let that be. We're finishing up with that. Okay? So the boat, this is a fun job. We don't have the boxes in, but I don't know if they're gonna finish that today, but we'll check it out. All right, look who came to visit me. The #1 rep, Alpine rep in all of Southern California and Michigan. John. All right, the boat is going home. The boat is finished. The Typhoon. Hey, wait, hey. Where's the woofers?
Are still for next week.
Okay.
No, I mean Friday.
So it's coming back to add some bubba bass?
No, doing that at my house.
What?
Yeah.
So I can't even record the finishing product?
I can take the camera.
No, man, this is going up this week. Guys, the bass sounds good. It looks good. It's awesome. I can't play it due to copyright reasons. Let's go. Can I go? Yeah.
I told him next Saturday, let's go.
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Get your bikini then.
I will. 2-piece too.
Damn.
Hey, I can't find the work order for this thing.
No, not even the motorcycle either.
Oh yeah, look, this fool hit somebody's trailer.